Oh, beautiful timing out of the coaching manual. There's no one at fine leg. There's no one anywhere near to it. And it's a little bit lucky for Shahid, but it's 4. Nice lofted shot from Cameron Akmal. Is it a pitching wedge? No. He does have enough on it to get for 4. 26 without loss after 4.
Not for that shot. Have someone in the crowd.
That's a big advantage of having someone like Cameron Akmal who's always looking for the big shot. He's backed himself to play that shot. He would have been kicking himself if it had gone to the fielder, but he backed himself to clear it and cleared it in style. Well, he's got the wicket. So obviously Sangakkara's plan working. And Jayasuriya is delighted. And why wouldn't he be? They needed a wicket and they've got the danger man Cameron Akmal for 37.
Yeah, this is a good move from Pakistan. Half an hour of Afridi, game over, tournament over. Boom boom wins it for you.
Pull back in for a couple. Or did it go all the way? It went all the way. Well, he's gone for it again and beats the man at cover. Deep. Didn't have a huge amount to cover. Straight to short fine leg and easily taken. So Jayasuriya takes the catch once again. Murali to the rescue, and Shahzeb's ICC World T20 is over.
Afridi, he's got hold of one. Now he's smashed one through the covers. I think he's on a tear here. I think he's got ideas of finishing this off quickly.
Oh, boom, boom. Boom, boom. Down the Finchley Road somewhere. Huge shot. Oh, full toss. It might be a no ball, but it's 4. Steered away to fine leg. 50 for Afridi. He's moved on to 52. It's a no ball over waist height. 9 to win Pakistan. Slow delivery. Worked away down the leg side. This runs away quickly for 4. And he's got a tickle on it, inside edge. We're nearly there. Get through for a single. Scores a level. Pakistan will have some great support here at the ground. I'll look into the outer and see the sea of green.
1 away from the big one.
Afridi fittingly hits the winning run. Shahid Afridi, big man, big game. It's a leg by, who cares? 139 for 2, and Pakistan invade the pitch. Handshakes all round. It's been a wonderful tournament, a fantastic tournament, and it's Pakistan, and yes, you might say fittingly, win this 2020 World Cup. They've overhauled Sri Lanka, and 2 super teams have been in the final. It's Pakistan, Wasim.
What a great comeback by Pakistan side. They're all saying thank to their Allah. And of course, this victory, eventually Pakistan team will dedicate to the brave army of Pakistan.